Tinatako niyo ba ang kanyang mga gawain at pang-aakit? Ngayon, napapahayag natin ang ating pananampalataya. Mga magulang, nino at ninang, sumasampalataya ba kayo sa Diyos ang makapangyarihan sa lahat na may gawa ng langit at lupa? Sa pananampalataya, maringalan natin ay pahayag at igagawad ang sakramento ng binyag sa pamamagitan ng Jesucristo, kasama ng Espiritu Santo, magpasawalang hanggan.
Ang masasabi ko kay Kiyon, you won't understand and remember this yet, but I just want you to know na mahal ka namin and we're willing to do everything just to give you the best life. We love you and we'll always be here for you.
Sana naman, Anak, Espiritu Santo. Palakpakan natin ang bagong kasapi natin Simbahang Romano Katoliko.
Sana lumaki siyang healthy, mabait, of course, may takot sa Diyos, and ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa kanya na kahit anong gagawin niya sa buhay, we're here to support him, no, we're here to guide him, and also lagi lang kami dito para sa kanya.
Can you feel it? Buzzing in the atmosphere, electric. Static humming everywhere. This energy is swirling around us in anticipation. So can you feel it? Can you feel it? It's our time. Open your eyes. Hold your breath. Take a step. Here's our chance. Yeah, it's our time. It's our time. Feel it rising.
Always pray to God na maging safe yung family, healthy ka, and sa study mo, kahit anong gusto mo, feel ko naman sasuportahan ka lagi ni Ate Naika and ni Kuya.
Atmosphere. Watch it all come alive in wild anticipation. Feel it rising. Oh, we're rising. It's our time. Open your eyes. Hold your breath. Take a step. Here's our chance. Yeah, it's our time. It's our time.
So, ang wish ko lang kay Kiyon is lumaki ng healthy at may takot sa Diyos.
Sana maging isa to sa core memory mo na madaming nagmamahal sa'yo and madaming ready mag-guide and support sa'yo. And, ayun, sana lumaki ka din na God-fearing